Top of the morning, folks. It's a Sunday morning. I'm on IR again. Haven't been feeling too good, so I'm not going to be in the water for a while probably. But anyway, this is two of my old favorites out of Delacroix. Over this way, this is Pontchartrain Bay, right over here. Pontchartrain Bay. Over this way is the Spider Pipeline coming down into Oak River. This is spot 41, 4 to 5 feet. Did a lot of cork fishing along here with the water moving through here. Just get along there with your cork, maybe be fishing about 3 feet deep. Caught a lot of trout along that way. Also in spot 41 is this tight lining that's 8 to 10 feet of water. Used to be a channel through here. You can somewhat see the remnants of an old island. I think that was right along here sometimes. But I would fish right on this point here. And one day we was out there and we were throwing back 3-pound trout, and they had about 3 or 4 boats around us wanting to know what we're doing. We told them we had our limit. We were just throwing them back. They wanted us to give them to them, but I didn't do that. We just kept fishing and catching. When you're catching nice trout like that, it's nice, just to keep catching them and releasing them. But this is spot 41, doing the cork fishing along this island right here. When that wind's blowing, east to west, you can drift right along. I don't have a trolling motor, so I always use the wind to do what I got to do. Then over here is 42. Oh, the red spot right here is actually the strike zone. That's what it would be at when you throw out. That's what it would be right there. Over here is 42. Again, the strike zone's out here and this way. You can see the current line coming around here like this. You can see the natural current line. If it's falling, you throw this way and you're working all the way around the arc up the drop off. Over here, you're working down the drop off. And if it's coming in, the same thing, you throw this way, parallel top the drop off, work it off the drop off all the way around, and then work it back up the drop off over here. Strike zone. This is normally where they would hit you at, right up in this area right here. So folks, this is spot 41 and 42 down at Delacroix. Once again, I haven't fished in a couple of years. You might want to exercise caution running around. Just haven't been over there in a couple of years. Matter of fact, quite a few years. But there was some nice trout caught up in here and over here. This comes through here, all the way through here, and there's some deep water. It's deep water, I think, all the way through here, about 8 to 10 feet. You can catch it sometimes if they're going through here, fishing them when that current line's coming around here. But these are the two spots in this area in Pontchartrain Bay, right off of the Spider Pipeline. Team JoJo spot 8 is up this way over here, over that way. Spot 8. Oak River's this way. Oak River's this way. I hope this thing works out. Anyway, that's Team JoJo spot 41, 42, Delacroix.